that's fine. Quiet down!
What was that?
I think it's the Karen downstairs.
Are you sure?
Yes, the only thing that makes that much noise is the Karen.
Are you sure it's not like a critter or something?
Yes, I'm sure. She's the only thing that makes that much noise around here.
Keep it down in there, will ya?
Karen, what do you want now?
I told you many times to keep it down.
And how many times is that?
Maybe just once. But I need you to keep it down. Otherwise, I'm going to have to call the CEO, the department manager of this building, and I'm just...
Who is it?
It's stupid Karen again. She's making a big ruckus about how much noise we're making.
I told you.
Yeah, well, I didn't think literally. Now she's at the front door.
What should we do with it?
Well, I don't know. She won't leave unless I do something about it. No!
I'm calling the department manager, CEO, manager, or whatever you call it, Mr. Michael McCoy!
Yes? What seems to be the problem, ma'am?
Well, you see, these people are making too much noise and it's hard for me to concentrate.
What kind of noise are you talking about, ma'am?
I think they're having a gun battle. And I have 2 kids, a granddaughter, and I have medical problems. So my granddaughter is 6 years old and she's vegan!
What's that got to do with me? Anyway, how about you come in here? We'll make it. We'll have it right.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Karen? Nerf gun. Fight! Uh-oh.
Oh, by the way, rent is due.